So guys, today I want to talk to you about how you can make money or make more money from home right now. So if you're stuck at home for whatever reason and you want to make some money while you're at it, then here are a couple things that you can do to accomplish this. Now, if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel, I talk about personal finance, investing, and making money. So give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel so you can see new videos I post. And I post videos here every single day on YouTube. So the first one is becoming a virtual assistant. So virtual assistants will work for companies, entrepreneurs, brands, and just about anyone really. Now, the good thing about being a virtual assistant is that it's usually not a job where you have to be working for the entire day. It's usually just a few hours. So you still have a lot of free time, and when compared to doing other gigs, virtual assistants make a lot more money. Now, usually you will get paid similar wages as you would working a full-time job per hour. Now, if you're wondering what a virtual assistant does, they do all the administrative tasks like a regular assistant would do at the office, but just virtually. So this includes answering the phone and setting up meetings, managing calendars, taking messages, preparing to-do lists, managing email accounts, replying to emails, creating documents, and so on. Now, as for the skills you need to be able to do a job like this, you'll need to be very quick, be able to do a little bit of everything. So you'll need to be able to use office applications like Word, Excel, work on spreadsheets. You'll need to also be able to multitask, provide customer service, speak and write very well, be able to communicate effectively, be pleasant, organized, and also very good at managing your own time. So if you think you've got the skills for it, then this is a great way to make some money from home right now. Now, to find one of these jobs, you can visit any job posting board like Indeed, or you can hop on to TaskRabbit or Fiverr, as they usually have these gigs on there as well. Now, moving on. So if you can speak a second language or a couple languages, well, guess what? You can do two things here. You can do transcription and translation. Now, these two are different, right? But you can easily get paid for simply transcribing or translating. So let's say, for instance, I have an online course, which is a video or audio recording in English. It makes me money, but then I realize that I'm missing out on millions of sales because there are people who only speak and understand Spanish, and I'll never be able to reach them. So if I could find someone to listen to my lessons and then transcribe or translate, and then making them in written format or even re-recording them, then now I'll be able to reach millions more and then make millions more. So if you go on Fiverr or Upwork, there are jobs being posted every day for these two services. Now, this one is very simple. You don't need any special skills. As long as you can speak and write the languages needed, then that's some easy money for you. And these jobs usually pay very well depending on the amount of content, of course, but usually they will pay you at least several $100s per job. Now, let's talk about an even easier way to make some money at home right now. This is by completing online surveys. Now, this one is often frowned upon because, truth be told, you don't make a ton of money from this one, right? I mean, you'll make a couple dollars every day if you do this. However, if you are in a hard place right now and you really don't have anything to do, then some money is better than no money. At least that's how I would look at it. Now, don't confuse this with pay-per-click websites, right? Those you just won't make any money with. Now, one good website that you can get some surveys done on and get paid in cash, gift cards, and free stuff is SwagBox. I'll leave a link down in the description to SwagBox, and you will even get some free SwagBox for signing up with that link. Now, in addition to doing surveys, you will get SwagBox every day for completing daily polls, testing out products for free, and also everything you purchase, including food, groceries, gas, and just about anything really. You'll get 2 SwagBox for scanning the receipts, which they pay you for because they'll use this information to find out what people are spending money on and then sell the results to all the big companies so they can better market their products, right? Well, that's how it works. Now, another way to make some money from home is by creating your own online store. Now, this is one, a very easy way, and two, it's very popular right now. Most online entrepreneurs have some form of web businesses where they either sell their own products and services or they resell products and services. Now, the reason I like this one very much is that thanks to the internet and social media, making online sales has never been easier. You see, people like what other people have, and that's just the way it is. So that's why you'll see a lot of people being brand ambassadors for clothing, weight loss products, ebooks on how to make millions, and just about anything really. It's a booming industry. Now, if you create an online store, you can easily run ads on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram targeting the exact audience your product was designed for. I mean, you can target age, location, gender, and even things they're interested in. And by the way, Google already knows everything you're interested in, right? They keep those search histories. So pushing products you want to your computer or phone screen is easy. And that's why a lot of the time you will think about something, you'll then search for it once, and then boom. All the ads for the next 5 days are about that exact same thing. Now, you can also do commission-based sales where you promote products and services and you get a commission every time it sells from your online store. And this way, you simply create your website and then promote. You don't ever have to worry about shipping, customer service, or dealing with any logistics. Now, moving on. If you can write very well and you're also very creative, then that opens up opportunities for you to make money from home by writing your own ebook or doing copywriting or blog writing for someone else. So surely you have some knowledge about something that other people would like to learn, right? And so if you're not doing anything, then now's the time to write your first ebook. It doesn't have to be 100 pages. You can create the ebook and you can convert it to a PDF and then use Blurb or a similar platform to create a landing page where you can sell this online. Now, in addition to that, you can also use Amazon's self-publishing service and get your ebook on Amazon or on the Kindle, which instantly opens up a very large audience for you. So this is another way that you can monetize your time at home right now. Now, if you don't want to write a book or you can't, then you can still do freelance writing for someone else. Now, this is where you'll write blog posts for them or even help them write their own book. Now, these jobs usually come with steady work and you can make around $20 an hour doing this online, whether full-time or part-time. Now, the best places to find gigs like this are Upwork, freelancer.com, or even Fiverr. Now, another way that you can make some money while at home right now is to create a YouTube channel. Your channel can be about whatever you want, and you don't need any expensive equipment to do this one. You can use your phone, make valuable content, and as soon as you develop an audience, then you can get paid by big brands for advertising their products or reviewing them and presenting them to your audience. Now, this one does take a bit more time, so it isn't something like the rest on this list where you can potentially do and then start getting paid this week, but it is another option to consider. Now, while mentioning YouTube, another way you can make some money is if you can edit videos and audio. I mean, video is very important right now. People want videos for product advertisements, sitcoms, movies, talk shows, and even YouTube videos. Now, video editing is one of those gigs where you will have to have a special skill, but if you don't, it's something that you can learn, and I'm saying this because freelance video editors do make good money. On average, a freelance video editor makes around $27 per hour, and the normal range goes up to about $80 per hour. So if you are really good at this, you can get paid a lot. Now, if you want to learn, then you can use YouTube right here to learn how to do it, and anything really, because there's a tutorial for practically everything on YouTube right now. So this one is definitely worth looking into if you really want to make some good money from home right now. Next, we have teaching remotely. Using Zoom to host remote classes is kind of the norm right now. So if you are engaging and you can grab people's attention and keep it over the web, then this could very well be your next stream of income working from home. Now, teaching remotely doesn't have to be for kids, right? Surely you can do that, and let's say you're good at maths or music or the English language or physics or something, then you can definitely have some classes and get paid. But you can also create web courses and host them online and charge a course fee. Now, you could also use a service like Teachable where you pre-record lessons, and then people who sign up for your course or courses will then have access to the videos after they have paid and enrolled. And of course, you need to provide support as well for any course you create. Now, this method is really good because you will already know what you're talking about, so there's no need for any research or learning or any startup costs really. So these are 8 really good and easy ways that you can make money online from home right now. Now, if you guys like the information in this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone or anywhere you think it may be able to help someone out. Now, if you're still watching and you haven't already subscribed, then right now is the time to do so. And remember to turn on notifications so you can get updated every day when I post a new video here. Now, WEBULL is still having that promotion where you can sign up with the link down below in the description and get 2 free stocks after depositing $100. So if you haven't already done that, be sure to check WEBULL out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel once again, and until tomorrow, take care.